Meenu, a 15-year-old, has been brought to health center with complaints of irritability and depression. She has been suspected of having premenstrual syndrome. Answer the following questions. The question A is define premenstrual syndrome and list the common signs and symptoms of premenstrual syndrome and explain the preventive measures that need to be taken by Meenu. This question answer contain 10 marks. Define the premenstrual syndrome. This is the 1 mark question. The answer is PMS or premenstrual syndrome is a combination of mood, emotional and physical and behavioral disturbance that a woman experiences a few days before the onset of her periodic menstrual flow. Premenstrual syndrome, having mild to severe physical or emotional symptoms that typically occur about 5 to 11 days before a woman starts her monthly menstrual cycle, and these symptoms are stopped shortly after menses begins. Then premenstrual dysphoric disorder, a condition in which a woman has severe depression symptoms not otherwise specified and emotional and cognitive behavioral symptoms before menstruation that interfere with daily function. This is called the premenstrual dysphoric disorder. Then coming to premenstrual syndrome refers to a wide range of symptoms that start during the second half of menstrual cycle, the time after ovulation and before menstruation. Go away 1 to 2 days after the menstrual period starts. Symptoms vary between women and even from cycle to cycle the symptoms are different. Then coming to what are the symptoms? A lady is PMS experience disturbances in one or more areas of the emotional, behavioral, physical and sexual health. For matter of ease, the disturbances can be divided into two categories. Psychological symptoms are mood, behavior and emotional disturbance experienced. Second one is physical symptoms. Physical symptoms. These are one or more of the following: fatigue, bloating due to fluid retention, weight gain, breast tenderness, acne, and sleep disturbances, as in either sleeping too much or too little. Appetite changes with overeating or excess food cravings. Coming to psychological symptoms, these are one or more of the following is bouts of anger and irritability, higher than normal level of fear, stress and anxiety, higher level of restlessness and increased frequency of thoughts generation and frequent episodes of depression and episodes of crying, oversensitive nature and exaggerated mood swings. In that, behavioral changes are aggression, reduced cognitive abilities and forgetfulness, increase in accidents, reduce the concentration. Then coming to preventive measures. In that, primary preventive measures are the CHO or MLHP educate about the healthy lifestyles and motivate the women in the community. Natural methods are exercises, emotional support from family and friends, avoid salt during this period, reduce the caffeine intake, reduce smoking and reduce alcohol intake, specialized dose of vitamins and minerals. Healthy lifestyle is a first step to manage the PMS and record the type of symptoms of PMS. These symptoms diary will help your healthcare provider find the best treatment and improve your diet. Eat smaller meals more frequently, avoid eating salt foods, avoid dehydration by drink plenty of water more frequently, eat more fruits, vegetables and whole grains, and eat foods are rich in calcium such as cheese, milk or soy products. if you cannot eat dairy products. Reduce caffeine and alcohol. Balance your blood sugar by eating protein such as the protein shakes and egg and nutters. And guide the people. Increase the consumption of fiber rich. Avoid caffeine, decaffeinated coffee and beer. Increase the food with high phytoestrogens. We can increase the phytoestrogen in the plants because it cannot produced by body like the naturally occurring estrogen. Food high in the phytoestrogen includes soy products and Pureria mirifica, sesame seeds, carrots and pomegranates and flax seeds, etc. And avoid eating before go to bed about 3 hours. And exercise to gets your heart rate up for 2.5 hour of moderately intense activity and 1 hour 15 minutes of vigorous aerobic activities. It improves your overall health and can help the alleviate depression and tiredness. Examples of activities including walking, swimming, cycling, and yoga. Then coming to secondary prevention measures are in the diagnosis and treatment. And medications are a gynecologist or psychiatrist might have to depending on the intensity of symptoms experienced. Medications depending on the symptoms. Diuretics for water retention and painkillers, that is the analgesics for any cramps, headache or pelvic discomfort, or oral contraceptive pills. It can stop the ovulation and stabilize the hormonal swings and thereby offering the relief from the PMS symptoms. And drugs that suppresses the ovarian functions. Short-term new age non-sedative, non-addictive, anti-anxiety or antidepressant drugs. Then coming to vitamin therapy. This is also very helpful for prevention of the PMS symptoms. In that, take supplements may be beneficial for PMS include calcium 1200 mg, and calcium may reduce the bloating, body aches, anxiety or depression. And coming to magnesium, that is 400 mg per day in combination with the vitamin B6 may reduce the pain, water retention and negative mood. B6 is the 50 to 100 mg per day. It is helpful for the take the edge of irritability and reduce the fatigue and depression also. Then coming to vitamin E, that is the 400 international unit per day may help in the reduce the breast tenderness. And evening primrose oil is 1000 per day. Coming to tertiary preventive measures are referring and rehabilitation and follow-up. In the referring, considering the no change in the condition of the patient, she should be referred to next higher medical facilities, that is the PHC, CHC or DH nearby. And follow-up. It is necessary to do follow-up. If the case is referred by you, then inquire regarding the condition and relief of the symptoms, and further course of action must be discussed. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.